This is part 7 of Measuring Model 1966. In this video we're going to determine the actual floor area of the kitchen. Now you can see that the kitchen's a very odd shape, and so I have divided it into some different areas. So firstly I divided this into a large rectangle for A1. Here we have a trapezoid, and granted it's not a true trapezoid as you can see, but trying to establish all these smaller areas would be time consuming, and the difference in accuracy would be very minimal. So we'll simply take this shape here as a trapezoid. Then we've got two smaller rectangles that we can measure easily. So the first measurement we're going to do is the large rectangle. We can see that we are just beyond 18 feet, so we'll call that 18.25 feet. And we need the width, so you can see that we've already determined the width in this case to be 18.75 feet. And so I've jotted down 18.25 times 8.75, and that at the moment equals 159.69 square feet. Next we'll measure the trapezoid. First thing you want to do is establish the height of the trapezoid. So we can see that we are just beyond 2.5 feet. So we'll record the height as 2.75. Now, normally with the trapezoid, the formula would be this distance plus this distance divided by 2. Then you multiply by the height. The process of going with this distance plus this distance divided by 2 simply gives you a centerline distance. And so I'm proposing that you simply measure approximately through the center line of the trapezoid, and in this case we get approximately 8 feet. So therefore I'm going to call the trapezoid 8 feet long by 2.75 feet high, and that gives us a total of 22 square feet. Next we want to measure A3, and so we can see here that we are just shy of 7 feet, so therefore that'll be 7 feet long, and the width is just shy of 2.5 feet, so we'll call that 7 by 2.5, which is 17.5 feet. Finally, we've got area 4. Now notice that area 4, you're measuring between two interior partitions. And because these are interior partitions, you'll need to measure from the center line to center line. So when you do that, we can see that we are just going beyond 7.5 feet. So that means we're going to make that 7.75. And the width of the rectangle is essentially also measuring from interior partition to interior partition, so center line to center line. So when we do that, we get 2 feet. So therefore, we've got 7.75 times 2, giving us 15.5 square feet. So the total area is going to be the sum of these, which comes out to 14.69 square feet. And because this is area, we don't carry any decimals in the area, so we will round that up to the next whole number. So in that case, it's 215 square feet. And so to finish off on your worksheet, in the kitchen, we're going to record 200 115 square feet in the area row.